Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the ECG feature on your Galaxy Watch 5 without needing a Samsung phone. First, you will need to download two specific modified application package files, commonly known as APKs. One APK is for your Galaxy Watch 5, and the other is for your non-Samsung Android phone. Ensure you have a reliable source for these files, as they are not officially distributed. This initial step is crucial for bypassing the standard device restrictions. Next, you will install the modified Samsung Health Monitor application directly onto your Galaxy Watch 5. Begin by enabling developer options on your watch, then connect it to your computer using a debugging bridge. Transfer the Watch APK file to your device and install it using appropriate command line tools. This process, known as sideloading, allows the watch to run the application independently of a Samsung phone. It typically takes only a few minutes. Now, install the corresponding modified Samsung Health Monitor application on your non-Samsung Android phone. After installation, open the app and grant all necessary permissions it requests, such as access to storage and health data. This phone application will then pair with your Galaxy Watch 5, allowing it to receive and display your ECG readings. Ensure both devices are connected via Bluetooth for seamless data transfer. Finally, you are ready to take an ECG reading. On your Galaxy Watch 5, open the newly installed Samsung Health Monitor app. Place your index and middle fingers from your opposite hand on the watch's top button for approximately 30 seconds, remaining still. The watch will then record your heart's electrical activity. Once complete, the results will sync to the modified application on your phone, where you can review and understand your heart rhythm data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.